No one knows anything. मेरे मुंह पर कहो. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. अगर आपको मुझसे कोई समस्या है तो मेरे मुंह पर कहो. If you have a problem with me, say it to my face. If you have a problem with me, say it to my face. पैसों से सब कुछ नहीं खरीद सकते. Money can't buy everything. Money can't buy everything. मैं अब बच्चा नहीं हूं. I'm not a kid anymore. I'm not a kid anymore. जो वो चाहती है उसे वो करने दो. Let her do what she wants. Let her do what she wants. मैं उस पर नजर रखूंगा. I will keep an eye on her. I will keep an eye on her. आप मुझसे जो चाहते हैं मैं वो करूंगा. I'll do whatever you want me to do. I'll do whatever you want me to do. मैं सच में किसी परेशानी में नहीं पड़ना चाहता. I really don't wanna get into any trouble. I really don't wanna get into any trouble. ऐसा लगता है कि आप सफल हुए. It looks like you succeeded. It looks like you succeeded. क्या मैं उससे अकेले में बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I speak to her alone? Can I speak to her alone? मुझे विश्वास है आप ये कर सकते हो. I believe you can do it. I believe you can do it. मुझे हमेशा विश्वास था कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. I always believed you could do it. We can't change the past. We can't change the past. वह कुछ छिपाने की कोशिश कर रही है. She is trying to hide something. She is trying to hide something. आप किस बारे में बात करना चाहते थे? What did you want to talk about? What did you want to talk about? कल आखिरी दिन है. Tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow is the last date. क्या तुम अकेले आए? Did you come alone? Did you come alone? तुम किस्मत वाले हो कि जिंदा हो. You are lucky to be alive. You are lucky to be alive. मुझे लगता है कि हमें वापस जाना चाहिए. I think we should go back. I think we should go back. मैंने किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा. I didn't say anything to anyone. I didn't say anything to anyone. उसने तुमसे कुछ नहीं कहा. She said nothing to you. She said nothing to you. ऐसा दोबारा नहीं होगा. It won't happen again. It won't happen again. गाइस यहाँ पे won't का मतलब होता है will not